Very good evening to all of you, beta. We are going to start today with new chapter, and that is, fourth chapter in your school, which they are going to keep for the test. That is atomic structure. In electronic configuration, we are supposed to do. Okay. So before going to that, beta, we'll go to this particular part. Atom. Okay. Now, look, beta. We are going to study about human body is made up of the smallest part, and that is what beta cell. Similarly, any element is made of the smallest part, and that is what your atom. That is what your atom. So look, if I take gold bar, gold bar. I am a online student. Those who have joined just now, Rehan beta, I just started with the what beta atomic structure. Okay, a gold
Okay,
block.
sir.
If I cut it, I will get a thin film of gold. Inside thin film of gold, I'll have many gold atoms. All atoms of gold are identical. All atoms of gold are identical. Clear, beta? Right? Sure. So these are the, so what is the smallest particle in this beta? Atom. Atom. Okay, so for different element, if I have taken, I have taken different element here. Can you see the silver, gold, copper? So if in all of them, each of the, suppose if I take big piece of gold, it is made up of gold atoms. If I take big piece of aluminum, then it is made up of aluminum. If I take big piece of iron, iron. So smallest unit is what? Atom. Atom is indivisible. Copper, then it will have all copper, copper. If I cut it, the smallest part, I'll get what? Atom. Smallest part, that will be indivisible part, that will be what? Atom. Okay, are you getting it? Any difficulty till here? Okay. Are atoms of different elements similar? No. Different element have different atom, right? Clear? Any difficulty till here? Okay, are atoms divisible? No. But they can be further divided into subatomic particle. Yeah, subatomic particle we are going to study. So now this is all about the difference. Who first came, which are the different scientists who came up with this theory of atom? First it was Maharishi Kannad, right, beta? Then Democritus, then John Dalton, then J. Thomson, and then Rutherford. Okay, Neil Bohr, James Chadwick, all we are going to do. Okay. हाँ नमस्कार सर बोलिए ना। हाँ हाँ नहीं क्लास में बोलिए ना सर, कुछ अर्जेंट काम है क्या? हाँ मैं आई एम हियर टिल 8 PM। ओके। हाँ हाँ। आज नहीं होगा तो मैं नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी सर, ठीक है, नोट अ प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है। नो आई एंड संडे आई विल बी देयर फ्रॉम 9 to 1। हाँ ओके सर या। चलो बेटा आ जाओ। सो दिस इज हाउ वी डू द माहिशा। Okay. So now, beta, we are going to go for the theory. Chalo, beta, aa jao. Hey, what is the smallest particle? We have just started with, beta. You not missed anything. We have just started. Atom is what, beta? Smallest indivisible particle. Okay. Now we have different philosopher who are going to use, beta. So first it was who, beta? Maharishi Kanu. Okay. He said Parmanus. Parmanus means what, beta? Small atom. Nobody will ask about all this, huh, beta? John Dalton gave which theory, beta? Law of chemical. Acha, what are the John Dalton's this thing, beta, theory? Matter consists of what, beta? Smallest particle atom which are indivisible and cannot be created, cannot be. Atoms of same element are alike, but differ from atoms of all other elements. In compounds and molecules are made up of atoms which combine in simple whole number. Suppose if I say NaCl, so what is the ratio? 1:1. If I say water, then what is the ratio? 2:2. Are you getting it? Okay, an atom is the smallest unit of matter which take part in bond formation. Okay, but John Dalton theory, what it used to say that atom is what? Indestructible. But modern theory says what it is? Destructible. Hey, atoms are indivisible, but they are here. Atoms are because inside the atom we have nucleus. Inside nucleus we have protons and neutrons, and around the orbits, what are revolving? Electrons. Clear? Okay. So now directly we start with the main part. Atom. What are the main three subatomic particle? Come on. What are the three sub main atomic particle below? Yeah. First of all, at the center we have nucleus. Inside the nucleus, and then we have orbit. Okay. The circle are what? Orbit. And in orbit, what are revolving? Beta electrons. What are revolving? Nobody will ask you about all these experiment, beta. You have to just remember. Okay. Cathode rays were discovered. Discovered by which scientist, beta? William. Okay. And cathode rays was discovered by whom, beta? William Crookes. No, nothing. Then, beta, H. Who discovered electrons? J. Thomson. With the help of which experiment, beta? Cathode ray experiment. Okay, I will show you what are this cathode ray experiment later on. Okay, then yeah, proton. Who discovered proton? Goldstein. Who discovered protons? Goldstein. Okay, right? He called it as which rays? Anode rays. Which rays? What are these anode ray, cathode ray experiment? I'll teach you later on. Then, beta, who discovered atomic nucleus? Lord Rutherford. He did gold foil experiment. Which experiment he did? Gold foil experiment. And what was his experiment? That also I'll teach you. Don't you worry, bro. But we are going to start with the main part. Okay. Now, before that, beta, hey, who discovered neutron? James Chadwick. Clear? Then who gave us this? Who told that electron moves in orbit? Bohr. Neil Bohr. Neil Bohr said, Bohr's theory. Bohr's. He said the electron move in fixed orbit called as energy level, KLMN. Now we are going to start with the main part. Here, maximum question will come from this part, huh? In exam, because if you see that is in the main scope of the chapter, beta, it directly starts from here. Can you see subatomic particle? This is the latest syllabus. So there was an experiment they don't ask. Okay. So this whole thing you should know. So chalo beta, first what we will do, beta, atom is what? Atomic structure, indivisible. Who gave this theory? But modern theory says that atom is what? Now in structure of atom, what do we have? Structure of atom at the center, what do we have? Inside the nucleus, what we have? And the circular orbit are called as what? Or shell. And what moves in that? Clear. Okay, now I want you to write this. Please write this. Yeah. Subatomic particle. Please write in a notebook quickly without talking. No, any in rough paper you can write that. Shh. Okay, which are the subatomic particle? Proton is P, positively charged. It has a mass of 1. Who discovered it? Goldstein. Electron is symbol is E, -1. Mass is negligible, 0. J. Thomson. Then neutron, charge is 0. And mass is how much? 1. And who discovered it? Chadwick. I want you to write this. Write it. Write it, bro. No talking. Write it, bro. Chalo. Subatomic particles are what? Protons, electrons, and neutrons. Proton symbol is P, electron is E, neutron is N. What is the charge on proton? +1. What is the mass? 1. Who discovered it? Goldstein. Electron charge is -1. Mass is negligible. Who discovered it? J. Thomson. Abe, this is what symbol? This is charge. This is mass. This is discoverer. Okay, negligible. That is negligible. Just like you, negligible. Oh, oh. Oh. ए, बस बातें नहीं. Done writing, others let, but you are not writing homework and coming.
Sir, discovery spelling is wrong. It's
Discoverer.
Oh, discover the person.
It's okay.
Slow.
Hey, you are supposed. Hey, you got one parcel for me. Thank you, dear.
Zomato sweet. Arey, mothers will so slow.
No, I actually want.
What does Happy birthday. Yes, it is. So it's a birthday. Is it your birthday? Happy birthday.
Ore, who said?
It's your birthday.
ए बस कोई बर्थडे बर्थडे नहीं है
I asked you by GKS. Oh, I just was saying it's all birthday.
Okay, done, all of you. Shh. Hello. Hey, no talking. Now let us go to the next part. This boy is there. No, shh. This girl here, just shut him mouth. Pass. The one who discovered electron. Okay, discovered. No, that boy was asking. It's okay. Not you, beta. Not you. Chalo, done. Okay, enough. Then, hey, do it fast, man. No Rangoli competition, no prizes, dear. Hey, do it fast. Arey, do it fast, huh, beta. Enough. Chalo, I'm done now, bas. नहीं बस बातें नहीं कोई कमेंट नहीं करेगा बस This girl here, pay attention here now, enough. Let us start. These are the subatomic particle. Now let us go to the next part. We are going to study about very important term, and that is what, beta? Atomic. Look, beta. I'll just tell you, beta, what all thing I have covered for you. This initial part is we'll do later. That is not that important also. Okay. We are going to start from here. Subatomic particle, atom, shell, and this all charge we have written. Now we are going to do this main part. And that is what? Atomic. So I want you to write this. Have all of you have written this now? Now let us go to the next part. बेटा तू उससे कॉपी कर लेना तू अभी स्टार्ट कर रही है टाइम पास कर रही है चल अच्छा आई वांट यू टू राइट दिस एटॉमिक नंबर नाउ ये तू वो छोड़ दे बेटा बाद में कॉपी करना तू ये ले गिव हेडिंग एटॉमिक नंबर बेटा atomic number. Hey, what is the pehla listen first. Atomic number, what is the symbol for this? Z. It is the number of protons or electron. It is the number of protons or in an atom of an element. What is the symbol for this? Z. How it is written? Subscript. Subscript on which side? Left. Suppose there is an element X. So if its atomic number is what, beta? Z. So this is atomic number. A sodium, if I write 11, so what is this? What does this mean? Sodium atomic number is 11. Copy this. So atomic number is number of protons or electron. Don't write and. It is number of protons or electron. Or. No. Whenever you say in an atom, then you can write. Because electrons changes if you write ions. Yeah, for that purpose. Very good, Peter. It is the number of protons or electrons in an atom. Look, I mentioned atom because in atom, number of protons and electrons are always same, but in ion it changes. No, I have written here, copy this. Number of protons or electrons. Oh. This girl here, what's your problem? You are talking so much. My God. Effects are supposed to be polite, very actually.
Sir. Oh, so she's not.
Okay.
Total.
Mind your own business, bro. Nobody asked for your opinion. If I write sodium 11 means it is atomic number 11. In an atom, number of proton is always equal to number of electron. Yeah. Therefore, atom is electrically neutral. Whatever positive charge is there, same will be the negative charge. You getting it here? Others, have you all copied?
Yes.
नहीं, पहले एटॉमिक नंबर का ही हम लोग फॉर्मूला करेंगे बेटा. एटॉमिक नंबर. Atomic number. Wait. Now, what does this mean? Suppose if I say sodium atomic number is 11. So, whatever is atomic number is equal to number of protons, which is equal to number of electrons. Shall I go little up? Up. Okay. Here, atomic number is equal to number of protons or which is equal to number of... Here, what is the symbol for atomic number? For proton, P. For electron, can I write atomic number is equal to proton which is equal to electron? Please copy this. Atomic number is equal to proton which is equal to electron. So Z is equal to P which is equal to E. E. No, beta. You have to write Z is equal to P which is equal to E.
Done.
I think this is
Yes.
C. Okay. Pay attention here now. This is very, very important. Hey, listen, in exam, they will ask you this. Suppose if I have given you sodium atomic number is 11. So what will be the value of Z? What will be the value of protons? What will be the value of electron? Please write this, bro. Okay? Right now, beta. Any doubt? Rehan, beta, are you getting dear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Where is that Zain? क्या नाम है? यावी इसका नाम है.
सर गई अलग इंसान है, शादी अलग इंसान है.
Okay. H. No talking. Have you copied this, beta? Yes, dear. Oh, I like your band. Nice. चलो बेटा आ जाओ. Hey. Hello.
What?
Done. Yes. What's Vintage, na? Vintage? What's your name, beta? Dhruvi, beta, are you getting this? Done. Okay. चलो बेटा आ जाओ. Pragnesh, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, mass number. Mass. It is the total number of number of protons and neutrons in an atom of an element. What is the symbol for this? What is the symbol for this? It is written as superscript. Super मतलब ऊपर. ऊपर. We write at the top. So if I write sodium 23 means its mass number is 23. Copy this. That will do better. Wait, have patience, bro. Hey, please write this fast. This girl here, what are you doing? This girl here. What are you doing here? Write this mass number. It is the total number of protons and neutrons. And it is. And what is the symbol for this? A. 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 And it is written as superscript, either on the left hand side or on the right hand side. You can write on both the sides. You can write on both the sides. No talking. Yeah, absolutely no talking. Uy, amma. Done, done. Chalo. Do it fast. Do it fast. Done, done, Danito. No 2 minutes. Only 30 seconds more. Yeah, you can write on both the side, left or right. It is fine. But it should be at the top. It should be superscript. It should be what, beta? Superscript. Chalo, done, done, done. Let us go. Let us. Let. Chalo, yeah, it was a glitch. Zoom glitch. Chalo, beta. Hey, what is the formula for mass number? It is sum of protons and. So mass number is equal to number of protons and neutron or not? Tell me. What was the symbol for mass number? A. Proton, P. Neutron. But we have studied. Number of proton is equal to what? Z. Atomic number. So can I write instead of proton Z? Right? Why I am not complicating. I am writing the Z is equal to P or not. So instead of P, can I substitute Z? So if I substitute Z, then what I'll get, beta? I'll rearrange. I will. So if I take n on one side, so Z will go on this side. So what I'll get? N is equal to A minus Z. And what is this n? Neutron number. N is what, beta? Copy this. Copy this, girl. This must. Mass number is A. Mass number we did today, it is proton and plus neutron, right? Mass is A. Proton is Z. Neutron is N. अच्छा ये प्रोटॉन की जगह पे मैं z डाल सकता हूँ कि नहीं बोलो बेटा राइट आई कैन सो नाउ व्हाट आई राइट बेटा n इज ऑन दिस साइड सो z विल गो ऑन दैट साइड सो n इज इक्वल टू a माइनस mass number minus atomic. There are a lot of bees around and there are a lot of buzzing going on. Just shut your mouth, bro. Okay. Just shut your mouth. Chalo. Neutron number. This is what your neutron. Any difficulty here? Now in exam bit I will give you one sum wherein I will give you atomic number or mass number and then I will tell you to find neutron number. Chalo. 1, 2, 3. Start. Done, done, done.
Yes.
Done, done.
Yes.
Done, done.
Yes.
A. Look, I have written sodium atomic number is 20. A. If I write this 23 means atomic number. This is what your. If I, so what all info? This is your mass. Wait now. Lower part is atomic number. Above is what? Mass number. Chalo. So A is what? 20. Z is what? A. But number of atomic number is equal to number of proton. It is equal to number of electron. And how to find N? A minus Z. So A minus Z. So what will you get, beta? Please copy this example. Full entire thing working. This entire page. In exam, they will give you this type. In exam, they will give you this type of sum. They will give you atomic number and mass number. And array by baby, they will give you this and they will tell you what is atomic number, what is a mass number, how many proton are there, how many electron are there, and how many neutron. Neutron formula was what, beta? A minus Z. So A minus Z you will do. So what you will get? 23 minus 11. So how much you will get? 12. Entire thing you have to copy. Entire thing you have to copy this. Oh. How can you talk so less, beta? Tell me the secret of that.
Admit and admit.
Oh, रेहान बेटा आ गया। चलो, okay. Sanvi beta, have you done this, dear? Yeah, very nice. What happened? What you're doing? This Sanika, you're done? Okay, bye. Hello, गांधी बेटा। निर्वाण, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? सॉरी सर, निवान, निवान। चलो, डन 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 डन। चलो, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू वन सम, विल यू डू ऑन योर ओन? अच्छा, चलो, डू दिस ऑन योर ओन। Phosphorus I have given 1531. Phosphorus 1531. You have to write everything. What is A? What is Z? What is P? What is E? What is N?
Alexa, how's it?
Why? It is already given. Then?
I got 30, 31.
No, 15 and 31. Do this on your own. You have to find what is A, what is Z, what is P, what is E, and what is N.
Sorry. There's extra thing. Who was that? Huh? It's good. What? Done. So it's got some good. Some. It is. No, shirt.
Okay, done. Kindly tell me how much is A, what is Z? Z is how much? Proton,
50.
electron,
50.
and neutron. Very good. Clear? What happened here? What's your problem? Tell me. A is mass number.
Smart, shut up, yeah. This was very smart.
Oh, what man? Wait. Because they are while talking. Done. Chalo. What all thing I have done, I'll just show you now. Hey, look, beta. In your textbook, we started with this. How elements are arranged in the periodic table on the basis of atomic number. So if I write now hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So they are arranged on the basis of what, beta? Increasing atomic number. So look, hydrogen atomic number is 1. Here it is how much, beta? Atomic number 1. Here it is 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay. So look, atomic number, everything, all this I have explained to you. Atomic number is what, beta? It is number of protons in an atom of an element. Number of proton is equal to what? Number of? Yeah. Only in case of what, beta? Atom. Look, Dhruvi, beta, what we were discussing, only in case of atoms. Okay? Right? Atomic number of an element is also equal to number of electron in an atom of an element. Then we did today this. Then we did this, beta. Mass number and all. Right, beta? Hello. Clear? Now I'm giving you one more example that you have to do. Now I'm giving you one more element. Okay. Wait. Wait. No. Wait. Shh. Hey. Okay. Atomic weight and relative atomic mass that I'll teach you later on. We directly go to what? Electronic configuration. The electronic configuration and electronic configuration only we have to do. Oi. Yeah, done. Come on. No. Now I'm going to give you something, beta. I want all of you to come to this. Hello. Hey, I'm going to give you a hydrogen. 1. I want you to find now. What is A? Fine. Chalo. Yeah, there will be definitely many tables because the content demands so. Right? Hey, come on, find this. That I'll teach everything. Wait, we have not yet reached there, beta. One by one, baby step we have to take, beta. Baby step. Chalo, for hydrogen, how much is your atomic mass number?
0.
1. 1. 1. A. A minus Z. So what I'll get, beta?
0.
1 minus 1. Name an element which has 0 neutron. Hydrogen. Clear? Name an element which has 0 neutron. Then it is what? Hydrogen. Now, what is your... Yeah, tell me, baby. No, beta, it is not pro, beta. Protons and neutrons together constitute the nucleus. Yeah, no. Neutrons get converted into H. In radioactive element, beta, N by P ratio, neutrons get converted into proton and it emit radiation. Okay? Because neutron does not have any charge. Proton has charge. Yeah, so therefore it is the lightest element. Hydrogen is the lightest. Hydrogen is the lightest element. But you know, there is an isotope of hydrogen which has neutron. I'll show you that also, beta. But before that, shh, this girl here, very important thing I'm going to do. Pay attention. Electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? So, no, yeah, 1, 2, 3. The arrangement of electrons in the orbits around the nucleus, orbit or shells. चलो बेटा लिखो यहाँ पर A electronic arrangement of electrons in different orbit around the nucleus of an atom. Orbit, instead of orbit, what all word I can use? Orbit or shells or energy levels. They are also known as shells or energy levels. Orbit, shells or energy levels. Arrangement of electrons in different orbit around the nucleus of an atom. All are same. Orbit, shell. Yeah, you write. You just in definition they don't write. Just for your understanding. Just for your understanding. To best. Yang lapo habis. Lapo means to base.
Shut up. So you're Gujarati. So you're Gujarati.
I know Gujarati. I little. I can read Gujarati.
Gujarati like a big sentence.
એટમ હોય ને એટમના સેન્ટરમાં ન્યુક્લિયસ હોય ને બાજુમાં છે ને શું ફરે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ફરે ઓકે અને જેમાં એ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ફરે એને શું કહે આપણે ઓર્બિટ ઓકે चलो बस आ जाओ बेटा अभी इधर पे आ जाते बेटा देवी और सजना फटाफट आ जाते हैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट okay now look beta there is one rule. There is one rule. Listen carefully. You know, we have orbits. These orbits are known as what? Beta, I'll show you. We'll forget. Hey, all these experiments they will do later on. All these experiments I'm not going to show you now directly. I'm going to go to what? Electronic configuration. Wait. Okay. Look. This is how is your structure of it. Listen, beta. At the center, that the green spot you can see at the very center, that is what? Electron. And what are moving? This is orbit में what are moving? Electron. ऐसे ही खाली. Not one beta. This is planetary model first. Okay. Now I am going to show the actual model. Look guys. Center में what we have?
Nucleus.
Then there is orbits. Can you see? The orbit which is closer to the nucleus, it is known as which shell? K shell. K. Second one is known as L. right? Then L, N, N. As you move away from the nucleus, the energy level increases. Energy level increases. Yeah. Yeah, no, there are infinite orbit. For your level, you don't study. In higher standard, we teach.
So is that just Z?
Uh-huh.
Is that just Z?
Yeah, there are infinite orbit. Okay. But for your syllabus, you need to remember only four. K, L, M, N. Bus. As you move away, beta, what will happen? The electron will move away from it. So therefore, the energy level goes on increasing. Yeah, because in all the orbits, beta, if you see, orbits are arranged. If electron jumps from lower to higher, so it gains energy, then only it will jump. Na? And if it will fall, then its energy level will decrease, and then only will lose electron. Okay. K, L, M, N. Acha, now what is the rule? In first shell, how many electron can go in each shell? No. What is the rule? 2n square. What is the rule?
1 square.
Where n is orbit number, where n is. So now in first orbit, how many electron will go? If I write the formula 2n square. So 2 into 1 square. So how much it will be? 2. In second orbit, beta, 2 into 2 square. So 2 into 4. So it will be how much? In third, it will be 2 into 3 square. So 2 into 9. So how much I'll get? 18. What 16? Okay, yeah, and so on. Look, beta. 1, 2, 3. But wait. First basic thing. Look, beta. Shh. Hey, K shell, first orbit, how many electron? Look here. Look, 2 electrons. Now you can see, beta, properly 2 electrons. Hello. Look, 2 electrons are moving or not? Tell me. Yeah. So, second orbit में n का value will be how much? L shell. In exam, they can ask you in K shell how many electron? 2. L shell how many electron? Capacity. Yeah? We are talking about the capacity. So 2 into 2 square. So in L, how many electrons are there, beta? 8. Can you see 8 electrons are moving? In N shell, K, L, M shell, bolo M. 2 into 3 square. So how many electrons? I wait, beta. First basic. I'll come to that point. Wait. In N shell, 2 into 4 square. So 32. Clear? Yeah, these are the orbit. Okay, are you getting it? Acha. But there is one rule, beta. Now I am coming to your point. But there is one rule. If it is a last shell, if it is a last shell, the last shell cannot have more than 8 electron. What is the rule? Last shell cannot have more than. I'll explain that. Wait. So first, what I want all of you to write, and this you will write. Yeah, with free hand diagram. Free hand diagram. Free hand diagram. Yeah. Yes, you can have infinite shell. ये चलो O होता तो L N O तो 2 into 5 square. So how many electrons? 50. Right? 50 electrons. A. This Dhruvi beta, if there would have been after N, there is O shell. Then how many electrons? 2 into 5 square. Okay. Free hand beta. Everything, whatever I have given, shell, orbit, K shell, L shell, orbit number 1, and the formula is 2n square. At the top, I have written. Where? There can't see one, man. ऐसे कैसे? हाँ? ऐसे कैसे? ऐसे कैसे? Yeah. Yeah. ये रहा इधर है. That is a key.
That looks like a logo.
Yeah, keep it.
What is that? Yeah, it's that one. The body one. Yes, no.
Okay, done.
Do the way.
Do it fast.
That's all. Did you talk to it?
No.
Oh my gosh.
That she can open from outside.
Done. So.
वहां पे क्या देख रही है? यहाँ पे कॉपी करना. हाँ. Yes. Yes, बेटा. You go now. Go. बस. There are two washrooms. Or inside is there. Two are. चलो done. Done. Girls, you are done, beta.
Yes, sir.
Written this, beta.
Yes, sir.
This.
Yes, sir.
Written? Eh?
Yes.
Oh my God, so fast here. Chalo. Now. Very good. All of you done? Hey, बेटा मैं बहुत मारूंगा. नहीं, बस. Okay. But beta, this is the capacity, beta. This is what, beta? Capacity. But capacity, this is the capacity. Bus capacity, whatever. Yeah. Capacity. आज बस. But this is very important rule you have to write. What is the rule number 2 for electronic configuration? Wait, pay attention. Rule number 2 is what? Very important. Very IMP. This is IMP.
What's that?
Okay. Last shell. This is very important. Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. Please write this. Very important. Draw नहीं करना. Very important लिखो. Last shell cannot. हाँ कर ले. Draw कर ले. Hey baby. Okay. Rule number 2, that is very important. हाँ. बस. Rule number 2, please. Rule number 2. Not required. Only that point is very important.
No, that was
Yeah.
It's
pretty.
That body is I.
Very important.
Very important. Product tracer.
Yes. This is the rule number 2 for electronic. Boys here. बहुत मारूंगा अभी मैं आके. This is the rule number 2 for electronic. Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. Then you will say, sir, अभी तो हम लोग ने क्या किसमें 18 जा रहा था, किसमें 32? No. If it is a last shell, it cannot be more than 8. I'll explain that. If it is a last shell, it cannot be more than. Okay. Now I am going to explain this. Wait, pay attention here. Very important thing. How? That I'll explain. Done, all of you? Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Start. Chalo, done. आ जाओ. But what is our rule? But the last shell 8 o'clock. But the shut up, last shell. But please, beta, last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. Okay, I'll show you, beta. Okay. Now, beta, we go to the next part, beta. चलो अभी आ जाते हैं. इधर आ जाओ. A hydrogen atomic number is 1. I am going to write down electronic configuration. Please pay attention here, beta. This is very important. Hydrogen atomic number is how much? So where electron will go in? K shell. Can you see this? ये देखो बेटा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है ना बेटा हाइड्रोजन में, तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन विल बी ओनली ब्रैकेट में यू राइट 1. दिस इज हाउ वी राइट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. No, I am going to show you. Helium, it will be how much beta? So first orbit, how many electrons? Now beta, I am going to lithium, but lithium, how many electrons are there? Atomic number is 3. So in first orbit, how many it will go? 2. And in second, it will be go 1. So what it will be beta? 2, 1. Then beryllium, it will be 2, 2. Look here. Then boron, it will be boron, carbon 2, 4. Nitrogen 2, 5. Oxygen 2, 6. Fluorine 2, 7. Neon 8. अच्छा, के एल हो गया, एल का कैपेसिटी वॉज 8. अभी 11th इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा तो वेर इट विल गो? तो सोडियम 2, 8, 1. Then 2, 8, 2. Very good. Then 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 अच्छा, you have wait, you have till calcium, so we 2 more we are going to do now beta. If I am taking this yeah, okay, now if I am going to take beta, wait.
Very good.
Okay, now shh. If I take what beta? Potassium atomic number is how much beta? 90. Right? So what you will think, sir, we should write this way: 2, 8, 9. Listen carefully. A third shell capacity was how many electron? This boy here, pay attention. Third shell, it was how much? 80. So then you will say, sir, can I write it this way?
No.
But what was our rule number 2? Is this our last shell or not? Tell me. Can last shell have more than 8 electrons? So what I am going to do? I am going to transfer 1 electron here. So what will be the electron? Yes. Now have you understood that second rule? Last shell cannot have more than, suppose beta calcium. Calcium, what do you think, sir? Can I write it this way? 2, 8, 10? No. Because this is my last. Last shell cannot have more than 8. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to transfer 2, 8, 2. Now, have you understood this? Last shell cannot.
Yes,
Oh.
so she's understand like how each orbit has yeah, and only if the first part get like the first part then it goes on the next, then it goes on the next, and the next one. In the structure
I know what you're. Hey, listen, beta. Will you listen? Look, beta, at your lower standard, whatever we are studying, na, beta, it is at crude level. But actually, beta, there is nothing, there is no concept as A. In the electrons are in the orbit, but in the orbit there are orbitals. We have 4 orbitals: S, P, D, F. In S, 2 electrons can enter: P6, T10, F14. But we don't have to study that at your level. So, but I have made the job very simple. Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. Clear? So then it becomes simple or not? Now look, if it is the last shell, then this is also last shell. Can last shell have more than 8 electrons? No. So what we have to make here 8 electron, and remaining will transfer. So 8 here I made it 8. So 1 I have transferred. Yeah. Yeah. I'm listening. But if it is the last shell, then it will not. Yeah, same thing. Same thing. Yes, yes, yes. But actually, we are studying this at crude level. We are studying this at crude level. Actually, electronic configuration is due to Aufbau principle that we study in 11th and 12th, SPDF rule. चलो अभी what I showed you now, all of you have understood this. Yeah, yeah, why not? तो बेटा ये हम लोग ने कर दिया बेटा. Okay, sorry. Wait. Hey, I did this for you. Look. Look, beta. Hey, we did this now. Electronic configuration. And right? Hey, we did this electronic. Can you see? Yeah. Wait. Electronic configuration, but beta, these isotopes will be there for you. होगा बेटा. No. But wait, na. Wait. Look, beta. Calcium, look, I explain you this right now or not? Tell me. Calcium atomic number was so. Can I write it this way? 2,8,10? No. Because this is the last shell. Last shell cannot. So 2 electronyl transfer. So, okay. Now, we did this electronic configuration. Can you see? Hello. Name an element which has zero neutron. Hydro. We did this. How many? Till how much we have to do? Till 20. Till how much? Oh my God. But beta, 20. Atomic number. This. Beta, you can remember proton number. You can remember electron. Okay. But it is very difficult to remember your neutron number. How to remember neutron? How to remember? Because no, when you draw na beta, तो neutron number कैसे याद रखने का? That becomes little difficult. So for that, I have given you the trick. Okay. For first 20 elements only. Yeah? For first 20. What is the trick? No. Why? And कितना बाय करेगी बेटा? Atomic number you can buy. Hi, hello, live BBC News on Friday night. ना मांगो अल्लाह से पेप्सी सोडा कोला और काजू केक. That are the first 20 elements. What? Okay. अरे फर्स्ट 20 एलिमेंट दिस इज बेटा. अरे हाँ, वो मैं फर्स्ट 20 एलिमेंट्स. हेलो. अच्छा, now listen beta. I am going to explain you a very important thing. How to remember. Hey, look, this is hydrogen 1, 2. This is first 20 elements. How to remember your neutron number? For that, I am giving you a trick. Because when you draw beta in orbit, you will have to show neutron at the nucleus. So look, if your atomic number is odd, so beta, you can remember atomic number, but can you remember mass number? So how to do that? Okay, mass number you cannot buy it because it will take time. So what is if your atomic number is odd? If your atomic number is, so how to find mass number? 2 into atomic number plus 1. 2 into atomic number plus, अच्छा, atomic number plus 1. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay, I'll give you example beta. Wait. Trick to remember atomic mass number. If my atomic number is odd, so how to find mass number? 2 into atomic number plus 1. चलो बेटा, if I take first, चलो हाइड्रोजन को छोड़ के हम लोग जा रहे हैं. Exception, because hydrogen में this rule will not apply. Suppose I am going to take, चलो sodium atomic number is how much बेटा? 11. It is even or odd? So how to find mass number? बोलो बेटा, बोलो. 2 into 11 plus 1. 23. मिल गया कि नहीं? बोलो बेटा. Okay, suppose I am giving you this phosphorus. It is even or odd? So how to find its mass number? 2 into 15 plus 1. So 31. Easy. Acha, once you know the mass, beta, once you know the mass number, can you find neutron number or not? Okay. If your atomic number is what, beta? Even. If your atomic number is, तो mass number will be 2 times the atomic number. चलो मैं बताऊं क्या oxygen atomic number is how much? So what will be your mass number? 16. Right, beta? Are you getting it? Okay. Is this clear? If your atomic number is 20, then mass number will be 40. But there are few exception case, huh, beta? There are few. What are the exception? Although beryllium it is even number, but the rule for this is what, beta? 2n plus 1. Acha, this is odd number, na beta? But for this it is 2n. And for argon, beta, it is 2n plus 4. So this is strict for what, beta? Mass. So if you want to copy, then you can copy this. Chalo. No, if you copy this, the first 20 element. Hey, copy this. If your odd no, heading is strict for mass number, strict for mass number. Chalo beta, magnesium atomic number is 12. So it is even. So what will be mass number? 24. Okay, aluminium it is 13. So mass number aluminium. 27. No, you said 31 somebody. Okay, very good beta. Very good. Hey, sulfur is atomic number is how much beta? 16. So mass number will be very good. अब समझ में आ रहा है? But for these 4 are exception. Hydrogen, beryllium, and nitrogen and argon. Argon will be how much beta? Its atomic number is 18. So 36 plus 4, 40. ठीक है? What happened? Yeah. Yeah, so that is exception, na? Therefore, yeah, exception. Exception. There we don't apply this rule. Are you getting it? Any difficulty till here? Hello. Okay, chalo, chlorine is 17. Chalo, bata. What will be mass number? Odd number it is. Chlorine is 17. So, for odd number, what you have to do, beta? Look, beta. Odd. Are you getting it? समझ में आ गया? Oh no, and then boron में beryllium में it is not applicable, nitrogen and argon not. बस.
So sir, the rules apply for exception.
This, so for them I have written the rule now, beta. For them, what is the rule? 2n plus 1. For them, 2n and 2n plus 4. N is atomic number. N is atomic number here. Is this clear to all of you? Any difficulty till here? Hello. Done, 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 done. So.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Now, first 20 elements, beta, they will tell you to draw. Listen, girl. They will tell you to draw. Hello.
What?
Okay, very good. Yeah, hey, beta, please pay attention. You will have to mention proton and neutron. That is why I gave you the trick for mass number. In this, you have to mention neutron. Can you see this? Yeah. So first 20 element you have to draw. And you have to write this proton and neutron. Don't forget to write this, huh, beta?
So it's not
Yeah, it is your textbook only, textbook page number. Oh, that is your homework. That homework you have to draw first. Okay, now take look beta. Yes, all 20.
Sorry,
Free hand no beta rounder you have to do. Hey, shh.
right now, so sir, right now, yes,
Right now free hand okay. Exam में wait कर this. अच्छा, now listen, beta. In your school, they have mentioned till electronic configuration to three more things you have to study. सब लोग बेटा pay attention. Hey, shh. First, we are going to study isotopes. What we are going to study? This is very important. Isotopes. Isotopes. I want you to write heading. Isotopes. Atoms of same element.
I don't know. No, I want to say.
Same atomic number, but different mass number. Isotopes are atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Different mass number. Why? Now, what is the difference in them that I'm going to explain? I'm going to explain. Carbon many, chlorine, many. But for your syllabus, you have only hydrogens. Okay? Hello. Hydrogen isotopes we are going to do. I'm writing here something, beta. Can you see? I've written three things. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So what it is, beta? One, one, one. But here it is what? One, two, three. Hey, what we write below? Below is your atomic number. So they have same atomic number or not? Tell me.
Yes.
But what about their mass number? So this is what your C and this was your A. So are the atom of same element or different element? Same element. They have same atomic three of hydrogen three isotopes.
No, sir.
No. For your syllabus, you have to study only about hydrogen. ठीक है? Yeah. Hydrogen. Okay. Okay. I'll tell you. Look, beta, isotopes are used in chemotherapy for treatment of cancer. Yeah. And isotopes for chemotherapy for treatment of cancer. Okay. And isotopes, radioisotopes we use a lot of. Then beta, it is a maximum isotopes are used in chemotherapy, treatment of cancer. They are also used in nuclear reactor also. Okay. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Done, all of you. Now, hey, they will ask you to draw this isotope of hydrogen 3. So first one is now I'll write the name of these three. So again I'm redoing it, beta. Okay. So first one is beta. First isotope for hydrogen. What is the name of this beta? It is also known as what? This is protium. This is what? Protium. This is deuterium. Deuterium. And this is tritium. ट्रिटियम ट्रिटियम बस इतना ही है इनका नाम है ए हाँ इट इज रेडियो एक्टिव अच्छा I'll write here so how many isotopes are there beta so These are isotopes of hydrogen. Shh. Now, isotopes of hydrogen. Okay, what is the name for them? First ka name is what, beta? Protium. Second is deuterium. Tritium. It is there. Okay. How I write this? H. Now in exam, what they will ask you, beta? Listen carefully. Its atomic number is 1, 1, 1. Mass number is 1, 2, 3. Now in exam, they will ask you, hey, this protein, all of this, they at mass number is how much for all the 1, 2, and 3. Atomic number is how much? Hello, 1, 1, 1. Then proton is how much? 1, 1, 1. Electron is also how much? But how much is neutron? Neutron is A minus Z. So for first one, it will be 1 minus 1. So how much? 0. 2 minus 1. So 1. 3 minus 1. So 2. In exam, they will ask you, hey, protium has how many neutrons? 0. Deuterium has how many neutron? Tritium has how many neutron? 2. 2. This is your N. समझा ना? Clear? Copy this. So whenever you draw the diagram, so suppose if you draw this protium, so how will you draw for protium, beta? One proton and no neutron and only one electron. For deuterium, what you will do, beta? One proton, one neutron, and one electron. Tritium, what you will do, beta? One proton, two neutron, and one electron and proton will be always same. Only neutron will go on changing.
What is so sad?
No, they exist in nature and therefore it is radioactive. Tritium is radioactive. If you see their N by P ratio, it is more than 1. Neutron to proton ratio is how much more than 1, therefore it is radioactive. Yeah, it's just there. It just exists. Like we have different planet just exist. So they also just exist. They just exist. Acha, these are radioactive, huh, beta? Only which one? Tritium. Tritium is radioactive. It will end, beta, very soon. Don't you worry, bro. No. Beta, I want to do, okay, 2 more things. Isotopes we are done. You know, beta, you have isobars. In school they did isobars? No, no. Okay, I'm not going to do that also. Not a problem. But till electronic configuration, it was still here. But there are 2 things which I have to do. What is atomic mass and molecular mass? So before electronic configuration, isotopes is there. Yeah. No. No. Name an isotope of hydrogen which has 0 neutron. Only hydrogen. 0 neutron. Protium that is. Name a protium. And sorry, name a isotope of hydrogen which has 2 neutron. Tritium. 2 neutron is name an isotope of hydrogen which has 1 neutron. Deuterium. Clear? Now, if we are recording, na, beta, yes, recording is going on. Rehan, beta, are you getting it here? Hello.
Yes.
Sir, what are one?
2 other things I'm going to tell you right now. This girl here, why don't you just zip it? Zip it. Zip it. Protium, deuterium, tritium. So, look, beta, in your school, they have told you till electronic configuration. So, look, we have done till electronic configuration till here. But in electronic configuration, I wanted to show you one thing. What is that? You know, this. A, the one who's the element which have, can you see beta, hydrogen, how many electron was there in that outermost shell? Lithium is one. The one, acha, here how much is there? Two. Here it is how much? Three. The element which has, listen, the element which has three or less than three electrons in their outermost shell, they will always donate electron. They will always, beta, they will donate electron. So what is their value? Yeah, valency. So that is, shh, मार दूंगा भी मैं इसके बाहर कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है 111 ना listen beta 111 so its valency is +1 this is 222 it will donate 2 electrons so valency is +2 this will donate 3 so it is how much generally the element which has 1 or 2 electron in their outermost shell they are metals okay the element which has 4 or more electron in their outermost shell they will accept acha ye beta listen they they will accept electron to become like whom? Nearest noble gas. Yes. Because in our life we have role model. So for atoms, who are the role models? Beta, this noble gas. They are every element will try to become yeah, Hina, Nina और करीना के Xerox रंगीन. हाँ, X रंगीन. ए in our life we have role model it may be cricketer footballer or some scientist or it may be some actor actress or it can be some world leader or something like that so for all the elements in periodic table who is the role model so every element will try to become the nearest yeah every चुपचाप बैठना भी हो गया ना ये मैं देगा रैप्टर now every element will try to be wait every element will try to become like nearest noble gas who is the nearest noble gas to chlorine argon in order to become like argon how many electron it will gain 1 so therefore its valence is -1 since we are gaining electrons so negative charge so -1 who is the near yeah nothing like that beta but concept you see na beta they are gaining how much electron? 2. So 2 negative. 3. So 3 negative. Are you getting it? Okay. Now I just want to tell you in first 20 elements. Okay. There are only 2 metalloid. Who are 2 metalloid? Boron and silicon. Lithium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, calcium, potassium. They are metals. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sulfur, chlorine. They are non-metals. Helium, neon, argon, they are what? Noble gas. Because this they will ask beta. Noble gas is helium, neon, argon. Metalloid is boron, silicon. In first 20 elements. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, beryllium, lithium, potassium, calcium. Non-metal. Okay. Now, shh. So look beta, in your textbook, this is very important. They will ask you which are metalloid. So can you see beta who is metalloid? Boron and silicon. Boron and silicon. They will ask this metalloid. Boron and silicon. Yeah. Yeah, beta. So metalloid, therefore they no, it is not gain or lose. They can exhibit the property of both metal as well as non-metal. No, generally, beta, it depends with whom they are reacting. Okay, if they are reacting with metal, then they will gain. But if they are reacting with non-metal, then they will lose. Okay, now here, okay, I wanted to do, I told you not 2 things. So these 2 definition you'll have to by heart. What are these 2 definition? Relative atomic mass. So what is relative atomic mass? It is the number of times one atom is heavier than the mass of an atom of hydrogen. Or I can say 1/12 the mass of an atom of carbon. Achha, what is the mass of carbon beta? 12. 12. So if I write 1/12 of 12 means how much it is? 1 only, na beta. Right na? Achha, hydrogen mass was how much? 1. Mass number was 1. So 1. Achha, sodium is 23. So sodium is how many times heavier than hydrogen? 23 times. Yeah. Achha, how many times sodium is heavier than 1/12 the mass of carbon 12? So it is how many times? 23 times. Because 1/12 into 12 is how much? 1. So why we say relative? Because we are relating it with whom? Hydrogen or carbon. Then molecular mass means what? Instead of atom, one atom, what will come? 1. That's it. Rest everything will remain same. Yeah, molecular mass, I'll give you example. Look. In exam, beta, in ninth standard, we are going to study. They will always give hydrogen mass is 1, carbon atomic mass is 12, oxygen is how much, beta? 16. So, suppose if I tell you find molecular mass of CO2, so it is a molecule or not? So, in this molecule, what is there? Carbon is there. And how many oxygen are there? 2. Substitute the value of carbon. How much it is? So, how much you will get, beta? 44. Mass of a molecule. Clear? And this is the mass of atom. Mass of, but you should always write 1/12 the mass. What you have to write always? So it is the number of times one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 the mass of atom of carbon. And here one molecule. 1/12 the mass of. Clear? Are you getting it? Right? So, acha, in school they have done this experiment. No, na beta, all this. It is not in the scope. Okay, right? So, main part we have started from here, and I have given you the name of the discoverer. That was very, very important. Discoverer name was very, very important. And then we did this, which are metal, which are noble gas, and how we get these valencies. How we get these valencies. Clear? Okay. So, yeah, till here. Valence is what? Number of electrons donated or accepted. Okay? That is all your valencies. Till here, any difficulty? Chalo then. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Sir, happy birthday.